Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Now let us discuss about derivation of Ybus by inspection method. Consider the n-bus system excluding vector bus, and by writing the independent current equations at each bus we get. This is example of 3-bus network, but consider that n-bus systems are there, that there are n buses. Okay, this is bus 1, bus 2, bus 3, so like that there are n buses. Now let's continue with the derivation. The current injections. The current injections is, first, I1 current injection is equal to E1 voltage into Y10 admittance, E1 into Y10. At I1 we have seen at bus 1 plus E1 minus E2 into Y12, E1 minus E2 into Y12. We completed this element, and we have to see from bus 1 this also connected, right? This network also connected. 1, 2, 3 we have to see. Therefore, and these are the charging admittances. So the both element ends, they have been connected. They both will get cancelled, and this is the element. This is Y13. Therefore, V1 minus V3. Sorry, E1 minus E3. This is E3. E1 minus E3 into Y13 element, plus and so on. We completed, right? Like 1 to 2 we have element, and we completed 1 2 3, so that 1 to 4, 1 to 5 there will be n buses, since we have to consider that n bus system. Therefore, and so on, plus E1 minus kth bus, where ek is the kth bus, Y1k, and so on. There will be nth bus system, E1 minus En Y1n. Similarly, we have to write for I2 current injection. We don't have charging admittance, right? Therefore, directly take E2 minus E1 into Y12, E2 minus E1 into Y12, plus, and here there is only one charging admittance, another end we don't have. Therefore, we have to consider this charging admittance, E20 into Y20, plus next E1 minus E2 minus E3, E2 minus E3, Y23 element, plus and so on. Similarly, E2 minus Ekth bus, Y2k, and so on, plus E1 minus E2 minus En Y2n. Similarly, and so on for kth current we have to write. Current injection at kth bus, Ek into Yk0 plus Ek minus E1 Yk1 plus Ek minus E2 Yk2, and so on, plus Ek minus En Ykn. The current current injection at nth bus is equal to En Yn0, En minus E1 Yn1, and so on, plus En minus Ek into Ynk, where Y10 and Y20 are elemental primitive admittance, E1, E2 are bus voltage, and these current equations on simplification you'll get I1 is equal to, since we have E1 and E1 common, we have to take I'll take E1 as common. Inside we'll get Y1 of 0, and we have element Y12, plus y12 plus y13 and so on y1k plus and so on y1n minus of we left out with these minus e2 into y12 minus e3 into y13 and so on, like e minus en into y1n. We have to write those elements, e2 minus y12 minus of y13 into e3 and so on, minus of y1k into ek and so on, minus of y1n en. Similarly, we have to write for I2 current. I2 is equal to y20 is there, right? Y20, there's a, you can write E2 also, y20 plus y12 plus y13, sorry, y23 and so on, plus y2k plus and so on y2n, minus of e1 into y12 minus of e1 into y12 minus of e3 into y23 plus and so on, minus ek into y2k and so on, minus en into y2n and so on. For I1 current is equal to minus of I1n E1 minus E2n into E2 minus and so on ynk into ek and so on, plus en into yn0 plus yn1 plus yn3 plus and so on, plus ynk plus and so on ynn. Close. In generalized matrix form, I1, I2 and so on ik and so on in is equal to y10 plus y12 plus and so on yn minus of y12 and so on y1k and so on minus of yn1. For bus 2, y21 and so on y20 plus y21 plus and so on y2n and so on, minus of y2n. Similarly for k current, minus y1k is so on, minus of y2k so on yk0 plus yk1 and so on, minus of ykn. For nth bus, minus of yn1 is yn1 and ynk in the place of yn0 yn1 and so on y2n and so on, finally ynn multiplied by e1 e2 e2. This is a general matrix form. What the equations we wrote into in the matrix form, and this overall we'll write simply equation that as Ybus, this is Ybus, this is Ybus, and this is Ybus. Total this is called Ybus, admittance bus, Ybus into Ebus. This is overall generalized expression for Ybus inspection method. This is Ybus inspection method, where Ybus is equal to, you'll write as y11 y12 and so on yn1, similarly y2n and so on yn1, y22 so on y2n, so on y12 ynn, where remember that y12 example, y12 is equal to y21 is equal to minus of y12 always. These are the capital ones. in the Ybus we have capital Y's. These are the small y's elements. Okay, this is capital Y12 means from the bus, where small minus of Y12 means given in the element, that is y.
If you like the video, please do share and subscribe my channel. If any doubts and queries related to these questions, you can join my Telegram group, link in the description, and comment me for any other queries. Thank you for watching.